Task 2. Figure 2 is a spreadsheet extract showing the number of cholera cases reported at Biroi Hospital for a period of 1 week. Use it to answer the questions that follow. Open a spreadsheet program and key in the data in sheet 1 as it appears. Save the workbook as CH cases in next exam folder. Let's analyze this work. You can see we have column A, B, but no C. We also have D, F, and G. So column C and E are hidden. So make sure that you put that in mind as you design the worksheet. So open your folder and then create a spreadsheet file. Name it as CH cases. Press enter to open. To hide column C and E, right click C and then hide. Right click E and then hide. Then now from there, now you can key in your data. Then the first day is Sunday, followed by Monday. Then you can also autofill the days up to Saturday. After capturing this information, I need to format this information here. Number reported is bold, so Control plus B. Morning, afternoon, and total, Control plus B. Days, cases, Control plus B. Weekly total, Control plus B. And then you need to merge the first row from A1 to G1, merge and center. And then you also need to merge total from F2 to G2, also merge and center. The other formatting feature you need to apply is we need to resize these columns to make sure that the data fits well. So double click the column boundary like that. Again, we also need to apply borders. So select the first row and then drag to the last one. Then go to font, click for more options here, and then apply all borders. Format the column headings in row 3 to an angle of 45 degrees. So select the range. Then to align them, we go to alignment, and you can see we have orientation. By default, orientation is usually set to 45 degrees. Angle counterclockwise, 45 degrees. Suppose the angle was different, you go to format, cell alignment, and then you type that degree here. Using a function and cell references only, compute each of the following. Total cases for morning and afternoon for each day is equals to B4 plus D4. Then you press enter, and you'll have computed the total for Sundays, morning and afternoon. Double click here to fill. Weekly total for both morning and afternoon equals to B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7 plus B8 plus B9 plus B10. Press enter and you get the same number. Then drag here to autofill. We also need cases in percentage for each day using percentage format. Like for example, cases for Sunday, they were 638, and to convert this to percentage, you divide by total. And what was the total? What is in this cell? Let us also add here. But now we convert this value to percentage. You click this symbol here and it will be percentage. Now if I copy this formula to the others, I may get the errors here. For example, div over 0. It was F5 over F13. F5, 353. But in F13, we have a blank cell. This one here again, F6 over F14, 409 over blank cell. So to fix this problem, all we need is to make use of absolute cell referencing, whereby we bind the cell which want to remain constant. For example, this is a cell F12, which should remain constant. So we say it is $F, $12. Then from there now you can try again. Format the percentage figures to 2 decimal places showing the percentage sign. Select the whole range. Then this one is to increase decimal, this one is to reduce. Let us increase 1 decimal place, another click 2 decimal places. So that's how you handle that question. Use a function for each case to compute number of days that reported more than 200 cases in the morning in cell B13. So is equal to count if, then select the whole range of this cell morning, then we specify the criteria greater than 200. Then you close and you'll find that we have 5 days. Number of days with more than 500 reported cases in D13. So is equals to count if, into bracket, select the range, the total cases per day, then specify the criteria greater than 500. Close, press enter, you'll find that we have only 3 days, that is Sunday, then Friday and Saturday. Insert a bar chart that compares morning cases and afternoon cases for the days of week in a new sheet. Type the chart title as reported cases. So select the days, then morning cases and evening cases. Then go to insert, get a bar chart. These are column charts, we need a bar chart. Get that one. Set the title as required reported cases. So right click this and edit reported cases. Now we have instructed that the chart should be moved to a new sheet. Click the chart. Under chart design, go to move chart and then new sheet and then click OK, and the chart will be automatically moved to another sheet. So once you save, you can choose to format it by choosing one of the pre-formatted styles here. So the other piece of instruction is rename the sheet as chart sheet. Save the changes to print out each of the following: sheet 1 and chart sheet. Go to sheet 1, file, print, and here is our sheet 1. Then select your printer here and then now you can print. For the chart sheet, you do the same: file, print, and here is the chart. Select the printer here and then you're gonna print. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. We have covered a lot, from auto-filling days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, to formula and functions. We have worked with formula and function like sum and countif, understanding the absolute referencing, and even creating a bar chart to visualize our data. I hope you found this helpful and you're feeling more confident using Excel. In the next episode, we'll dive into working with databases in Access, a really exciting and powerful area, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next tutorial. Goodbye for now.